In the heart of Antarctica, thousands of emperor penguins gather on the ice. But one adventurous soul has other plans. With determination and absolutely zero grace, our hero waddles away from the safety of the colony. Flippers out, wobbling side to side, completely confident in his questionable life choices. He reaches the cliff's edge and suddenly, but there's no turning back now. With all the elegance of a falling refrigerator, he commits. The inevitable splash. Sometimes courage looks ridiculous, and that's perfectly fine.